Hello, I'm Linda and welcome to Aberdeen Science Centre. Today we're going to be thinking about our amazing bodies. We're going to be exploring how our bodies work and what there is inside of us. Now we're going to start by taking a look at our skeleton. Skeletons are made from lots of different bones. As children, we have 270 bones, and then by the time we are adults, we have 206 bones, as some of them have fused together. Our skeleton is really important at protecting our organs and supporting the structure of our bodies. Without a skeleton, we wouldn't be able to move around. Now we're going to take a look at our muscles. Our muscles are there to help move our skeleton. We have approximately 640 muscles in our body. When we do this, the muscle we show is called our bicep, and it bends our arm at the elbow, but it doesn't straighten it. Another muscle called the tricep does that. Where do you think the strongest muscle in our body is? It's the jaw. That's because our ancestors used to hunt animals and they'd have to rip the meat off the bones. Luckily, we don't have to do that anymore. Now we're going to take a look at the organs. Meet Giant Joe. So we're going to start with this one. This muscle pumps blood all around your body and it never stops. Yes, this is the heart. The heart pumps blood all around your body, providing oxygen to your organs and muscles. Next, we have the lungs. These are very important. Do you know what's in the air that we breathe in? Well, we breathe in air that has a gas called oxygen that we take in, and we breathe out carbon dioxide. We also have this one, which looks a bit like a bag. We fill this bag with food. This is the stomach. Now, the stomach is very important in digesting our food. Now we have this organ, and it's in a balloon shape. This fills up with urine when we need to go to the toilet. This is the bladder. Now, the last one I have is this one. This is the liver. It's similar to a sieve, in that it filters your blood so only the good bits go through. And did you know the largest organ in the body is actually the skin? And that takes us to the end of exploring all about our amazing bodies. Knowing all about our bodies is really important for jobs like doctors, nurses, physiotherapists, and sports scientists. Thanks for watching. See you next time.